Excuse me, sorry to disturb you, but could you possibly help me?
Hi. Yes, of course. No problem at all. Are you a tourist?
Yes, I am, and I am quite lost. I am looking for the city library. Is it far from here?
Ah, the library. It's actually a bit of a walk. Are you walking?
Yes, I am. I don't know the bus routes yet.
Okay, it's not too complicated. Let me think. So, first, you need to go straight down this serpentine path past the pond.
Go straight down the path, past the pond.
Correct. When you reach the end of the path, turn left onto the main road. That's Elm Street.
Turn left onto Elm Street.
Exactly. Walk for 2 blocks on Elm Street and you will see a large supermarket on your right.
Walk 2 blocks on Elm Street. See the supermarket.
Right again. The library is directly opposite the supermarket. You can't miss it. It's a big classical building.
Opposite the supermarket. Perfect. That sounds very clear.
A little tip, if you don't want to walk, there is a bus stop just at the end of this path. The number 10 bus goes right to the library.
Oh, that's great to know, especially for the return trip. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit to the library. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too. Bye.